Gentlemen, both of you are charged with racing on a highway. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
Fire buckle up, because what you're about to witness is every street racer's worst nightmare. Two defendants caught red-handed doing 100 miles per hour in a drag race on Houston highways, and one of them is about to lose everything. We're talking driving privileges revoked, mandatory drug tests, and a judge who's absolutely not playing games. But here's the kicker. One of these guys has been here before, and the judge is about to drop the hammer hard. This isn't just about speeding tickets anymore. This is about contempt of court, 6 months in jail, and a life-changing reality check that'll make you think twice before ever racing again. Let's dive into this explosive courtroom showdown.
Officers observed 5 to 6 cars traveling at a high rate of speed and chasing each other on a freeway in Harris County, Texas. The officer observed 4 cars in each of the 4 lanes matching each other's speed approximately 50 miles per hour until they were aligned. And then the 2 cars in the middle took off at a high rate of speed at approximately 100 miles per hour. A traffic stop was initiated on defendant Earl's vehicle. During the traffic stop, officer observed that the entirety of the inside of the vehicle was removed except the driver's seat. Defendant Earl admitted to participating in the race. Another officer conducted a traffic stop on the other participating car. That occupant also admitted to participating in a drag race.
You said there were happening to those two.
Your Honor, there are no other connected cases, just the 2.
Got it. Mr. Earl, this is your second racing case. I am now taking away your privilege to drive. You will be signing an affidavit with me today.
High voltage, hold up. Did you catch that bombshell? This is Mr. Earl's second racing case. And check this out. His car had everything stripped from the inside except the driver's seat. We're talking about a full racing modification here. Folks, this isn't some teenager making a bad decision on a Saturday night. This is calculated, premeditated street racing. The judge is about to go nuclear, and honestly, when you're a repeat offender who admitted guilt and had a stripped-down race car, you've basically handed the prosecution their case on a silver platter. What's coming next is going to be brutal. The judge is about to take away something most of us take for granted every single day. Can you imagine living in Houston, one of the most sprawling cities in America, without being able to drive at all? That's not just inconvenient. That's life-altering. And the judge isn't stopping there.
David with me today, promising me you're not going to drive. And if I find that you drive, I will have a contempt hearing. You'll be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you get into a car and drive. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do not drive. I don't care what you're doing in your life. I don't care where you have to go, what you have to do. I now also am sending you for a drug test. I want to know what, if anything, is in your system, and then you're to come right back. If I find that you don't take the test, if you don't come back, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Take a seat.
I do have a question. May I have a reset to hire my attorney? I wasn't able to hire him today.
We will get there.
Okay.
First things first, I'm sending you for a drug test because I want to know what, if anything, is in your system. But first, you'll come up here and swear to us that you're not going to drive. Mr. Flores, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm going to tell you now, living in a city as big as Houston without the ability to drive, it's an awful thing. Do not participate in these types of things again. Otherwise, I will take your privilege to drive away from you. Do you understand? You will be signing conditions with me today, promising me that you're not going to race, street takeovers, donuts, reckless driving, any of the like. If I find that you do, I'm going to put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. Do you understand? Okay. Can you file conditions on both of their cases?
Yes, Your Honor.
Racing and the like? Yeah. All right. I'm going to have you go over, did you check for both of the licenses to see if do you have a Texas driver license? Do you have liability insurance in your name? Okay, if you can run both of their licenses as well.
Yes, Your Honor.
So for now, I'm going to have you sign a reset with Victoria. After that, we'll have you take a seat in the jury box. We'll get your bond conditions. We'll have you sign it, and then you'll be free to go. When you come back, please have a lawyer, sir.
I have a lawyer.
Oh, yeah. Who is it?
David Lee.
Got it. Okay. Mr. Lee's going to be here, so we're going to have you wait till he gets here. So we'll have you sign a reset. Take a seat in the jury box. Do not leave until you sign the bond conditions.
Okay. Your Honor, Flores is eligible. Let me run. Earl, please.
Direct It let's break down what just happened here, because this case is a masterclass in judicial discretion and consequences. Mr. Earl, a repeat offender, just lost his driving privileges completely. No exceptions, no excuses, no emergency situations. Every single time he gets behind a wheel, he's risking an additional 6 months in jail and $500 fine for contempt of court, plus mandatory drug testing immediately. Meanwhile, Mr. Flores got off with a stern warning and bond conditions, but make no mistake, one more violation, and he's in the same boat. The judge made it crystal clear. Street racing takeovers donuts. Any reckless driving will result in immediate jail time with no more PR bonds. This is Houston's courts sending a message. They're done with street racing culture, putting innocent lives at risk. The stripped interior of Earl's car proves this wasn't a momentary lapse in judgment. This was organized, premeditated racing. And now, he's learning that actions have consequences that go way beyond a simple fine. If this courtroom breakdown shocked you as much as it shocked us, smash that like button right now. Drop a comment below. Do you think the judge was too harsh or completely justified? And if you want more jaw-dropping courtroom moments where justice gets served hot, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We're bringing you the most intense legal showdowns every week. Share this with anyone who thinks street racing is just harmless fun, because this is a reality check they need to see. Bell backhand index pointing down.